Do you know that 950 townhouses were sold in just 7 days in the Valley Phase 2? That's a 3.2 billion dirham sales in just 1 week. The Valley Phase 1 was impressive, but the Valley Phase 2 is truly phenomenal. This is the beauty and standard practice of Emaar. They are always adding new features to their communities. This continuous enhancement not only increases demand, but also boosts the value of the community. So that's why early investors see significant capital appreciation. We have already seen in communities like Dubai Creek Harbour and this community, Dubai Hills Estate. Emaar's commitment to excellence and innovation ensures that every new phase is better than the last one. And now, Emaar is giving another chance to investors to make money by launching the first villa cluster in the Valley Phase 2. History has shown us that whenever you invest in early Emaar's master communities, you're bound to make money. In the case of Valley's Phase 1, the first villa cluster, which was Rivana, investors have seen a capital appreciation of over 15% in just 1 year. And those who invested in the earlier townhouse cluster in the Valley Phase 1, like Eden, Nara, are enjoying capital appreciation of over 100%. Before I share more details about the new launch of the first villa cluster in the Valley, let me remind you about the prime location of the Valley community. It's just 25 minutes drive from Burj Khalifa, downtown Dubai, and it's just 25 minutes from Dubai's both international airports, old and new. It's incredibly accessible. So this community valley offers exceptional connectivity through Jabal Ali Lebab Road, which starts at the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed interchange and extends to Emirates Road. This vital corridor drives rapid development linking key areas such as Jabal Ali Industrial Area, Jabsa, Dubai South, DIP, and the Expo 2020 site. People who once thought the valley was too far from the city and didn't invest earlier are now regretting it. With the rapid development of Dubai and its growing population, this community valley has become a convenient and affordable townhouse and the villa community. And to meet the needs of urban development and demographic expansion, Dubai's government has invested over 2 billion dirhams in improving the island road, making it much more convenient to access the villa community. Plus the introduction of Dubai Scenic Road, Latifa City, and the upcoming Hind City, which provides housing for Emirati citizens, will play a crucial role in the development of the area. These improvements ensure that the valley remains an attractive, accessible, and affordable community to everyone. Now let's talk about the valley again. When Emaar launched the first Phase 1 of the valley, we agents were very excited to sell and boast about the amazing amenities like the 47,000 square meters of Golden Beach and the 13,000 square meters of Kids Dale. We called it the best family-friendly community and highlighted that it was the first time Emaar offered so many amenities on such a large scale. What Emaar has done in the Phase 2 is truly incredible. They have multiplied the amenities by at least 2.5 times. Yes, you heard it right, 2.5 times. The size of the Valley Phase 1 and the Phase 2 is almost the same, but the difference lies in the size and the number of the amenities. As I mentioned earlier, in the Phase 2, the amenities are 2.5 times bigger than those in Phase 1. What does it mean? This means more space for families to enjoy, more activities for kids, and more opportunities for everyone to relax and have fun. Valley Phase 2 is much bigger and much luxurious than the Valley Phase 1. Can you imagine a park that has a size of 250,000 square meters? That's exactly what you're gonna get here. Now I'll tell you about the structure of the Valley Phase 2. It's divided into 5 distinct elements: hills, meadows, forest, river, and the valley, each offering unique experiences. And it boasts 33 different amenities. Let me repeat, 33 different amenities. I cannot recall as many amenities in any other Emaar community. For example, there's dunescape, forest walk, meadow walk, sensory play, nature theme park. Now I'll tell you about the exciting new launch, the first villa cluster in the Valley Phase 2, which is called Avena. One important thing for you, whether you are an end user or investors, are the floor plans of the villas. Emaar has taken the feedback from its buyers and made them more appealing, easy to use, and perfect for living. None of the villas in this cluster are back-to-back. What does it mean? Which means they all are single row, giving you more space and privacy. I've already mentioned the number of amenities and the size of the amenities in the community. But in this villa cluster has even more amenities. You have got multiple pocket parks. These additional amenities make living here more enjoyable and more convenient. The first villa cluster in the Valley Phase 2 is designed with you in mind, offering privacy, space, and the plenty of amenities. Now we'll go downstairs, look at the model of the floor plans, where I'll explain you in detail how practical and smart the floor plans are of these Avena cluster. Let's go. So here I'll show you the floor plan on a hydraulic model. Let's start. So the size of this villa is 3,700 square feet. So as you step inside, you are greeted by a grand double-height entry foyer, setting the tone for the luxurious experience that awaits you. To your left, you will find a spacious ensuite guest bedroom. This room is perfect for senior family members, offering convenience and privacy. Then you have a semi-closed, fully fitted kitchen. With easy access to the backyard, you will enjoy ample natural light. And the best part is, once you take the ownership, once you get the handover of this villa, you have the flexibility to convert it into a fully closed kitchen if you prefer. Next, we move to the lavish 550 square feet living and dining spaces. These areas are designed with efficiency in mind, ensuring there is no wasted space. Imagine hosting family gatherings or cozy dinners here. Convenience is key. This villa comes with a dedicated store and laundry room. And for those little extras, there is a linen room with an attached washroom, adding to the home's practicality. Let's step outside. The villa features a setback of approximately 5.5 meters, ensuring optimal usable space for each villa. This can be transformed into a beautiful garden, a play area for children, or a swimming pool. And as you step on the first floor, there are 3 bedrooms and all of them are ensuite, each designed with your comfort in mind. This master bedroom is special. It features a spacious walk-in closet, perfect for organizing your wardrobe. The master bedroom is a marvel of design, boasting a double vanity, a tub, and a separate shower. This level of luxury is a rare find, even among Emaar's prestigious villas. And you will have your own private balcony, a perfect spot for your morning coffee or evening relaxation. Now, let's move up to the second floor. This floor hosts a massive roof lounge that can be transformed to suit your lifestyle needs. Whether you envision a games room for entertainment, a home office for productivity, a gym to stay fit, or even a home theater for those movie nights, this space can be tailored to your desires. And that's not all. The second floor also features a beautiful terrace, perfect for creating a rooftop garden. It comes with its own bathroom, offering additional convenience. This means technically, you could even consider this a 5-bedroom villa instead of 4, adding immense value to your investment. So in summary, this villa offers an unparalleled blend of luxury, flexibility, and practicality. From the ensuite bedrooms and the lavish master suite on the first floor to the roof lounge and the terrace on the second, every detail has been thoughtfully designed to elevate your living experience. Now we are back inside the office, but the main question is, why invest in this launch? First of all, let's talk about the numbers. This community, the Valley community, has seen an incredible over 100% capital value growth in the last 3.5 years. This means a strong capital appreciation is drawing more and more investors here, making it a hot spot for real estate investments. Now let's talk about the designs. These villas boast efficient floor plans with massive plots and built-up sizes. The use of internal and external space is top-notch, offering you comfort and luxury in every corner. And what sets this community apart is its unmatched amenities, combining the best of both phases. It offers an abundance of amenities on a scale that no other community in Dubai currently matches. You will have everything you need right at your doorstep. Post-pandemic, there has been a significant rise in demand for villas. This trend is driven by end-user demand and the migration of millionaires to Dubai. Larger families are looking for bigger units, and these villas fit that need perfectly. especially at this price range given the scarcity of larger size units. One of the biggest advantages here is a relaxed construction-linked payment plan. With an 80-20 plan, you pay 20% every year and split into 10% every 6 months. Plus, as I mentioned, it's construction-linked, adding to your peace of mind. But here is the main kicker, the price per square feet. Compared to nearby competition where prices are above 1500 dirhams per square feet, here it's only 1200 dirhams per square feet. That's a super competitive rate for such premium units in such a premium community. This is a safe and secure investment considering the reputation of Emaar, the prime location, exceptional amenities and the attractive price point. So in summary, this community is poised for significant growth. As Dubai continues to develop, this might just become the biggest and the best villa community near downtown Dubai. So do not miss out on this incredible investment opportunity, whether you're looking for a solid investment or a luxurious place to call home. This villa community ticks all the boxes. If you need more information regarding the availability of the units, give me a call today, 16th of July. Thank you.